Okay. So as I'm sure all of you are aware, in September this year, there was a judgment from the Supreme Court which ensured that all women of any age are free to enter the Sabrimala. Now, interestingly, it's not the first time that a temple or a place of worship had been thrown open to women or that discriminatory practices there were ended. But I wonder why. It's just that Sabrimala has become a flashpoint like no other. Why didn't we hear the same about Haji Ali, about Shani Shignapur? Why Sabrimala? Is this a case of judicial overreach by the Supreme Court, as some are suggesting? Is this a case of a group feeling that they are under siege? Or is this a more complex problem about how politics and faith have mingled to produce a very potent and, may I say, a combustible combination? Let me start by asking all of our panelists over here. Let me start with you, Deepa Ishwar. Are you a law-abiding citizen? You believe in the law?
Absolutely.
Malvika Avinash, you believe in the court?
Yes, I do, all the more because I studied laws.
Great. Mr. Kumar, do you have faith in the courts of our country, the Supreme Court?
Yes, of course.
So then let me ask you, all three of you, beginning with you, why is it that the Supreme Court judgment is so hard to abide by?
I believe in law, but I also believe in religion. I believe in law, but I also believe in faith. So you cannot have either of the two. You need to have both of them. I'm sure all of you agree. You cannot sit and list down all of those religious beliefs that goes against the constitutional articles and tick off one by one and take them all to the Supreme Court. So
Actually,
it's all
you
based
can.
on faith.
Actually, you can. Malvika Avinash, since you have studied the law, you would know that religion is to be respected, but the law is law. And as citizens of this democracy, we have to abide by the law. Isn't that correct?
You see, right from the minute go, when it came to Sabrimala, the very petitioners were not sure of what they were petitioning for. And this came out in the Supreme Court itself. They admitted to the fact that they indeed do not know much about Sabrimala and the practices there. So that was the case of the petitioners. However, the Supreme Court decided to hear the matter because after all, there was a PIL and it had to be heard, because what prompted them essentially was not Article 14 or the right against discrimination as they claim, but was an article which was meant to sort of defame the faiths. Let me finish. No, let me finish. You have to let me finish and then you can ask me. Therefore, and it was certainly not defended well by the state, because the state again does not believe in the faith of the Hindus. Now let me tell you, since you're speaking of constitution and I studied it as a subject, what under constitution makes a right under 25 or 26 subservient to a right under 14? And whose rights are we speaking about? These are faiths of believers against those of non-believers.
Okay, so ma'am,
is
let me
this
stop
a
you
question
there.
of 21? Then I will agree with you.
Let me stop you there for a second.
Yes.
Because for far too long, there has been this misconception and misinformation which has been purveyed to the public, saying that this is a case of law versus religion.
Not at all.
Supreme Court
Not at all. It is a case of 25 versus 14.
The Supreme
25 of those who believe and 14 of those who don't.
Malvika Avinash, the Supreme Court judgment, which was a majority judgment of a constitution bench, which included the Chief Justice, has said that this has got nothing to do with religion. So you are only trying to emotionally manipulate people in the name of religion.
The bench also had Indu Malhotra, Justice Indu Malhotra, who spoke differently. So you shouldn't conveniently ignore just one comment. And that too coming from a woman herself.
No, and we will not talk about Justice Indu Malhotra, because if we are going to keep talking about minority judgments, then we have to go back in history and talk about all dissenting judgments.
There is also a provision for review,
beliefs?
isn't there? And the review will be heard.
Yes.
Yes,
so then,
it is a clear question of judicial overreach, and it is faith of those who believe and equality of those who don't.
Okay.
I think it has been wrongly placed. The perspective has gone wrong, and that needs to be corrected. Let me also come
Okay,
to
so let me just
one
stop
more-
you here.
there's
Just to
one
be clear,
comment that I
as
like
a
to make.
member of the BJP, you're saying that the then Chief Justice headed a bench that engaged in judicial overreach.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's very interesting. Justice Deepak Mishra, much has been said about him, but the BJP is saying that he engaged in
No,
judicial
I don't
overreach.
think you should politicize
is-
this at all.
No, because
It's
you're
not
a
a matter
political
of
party.
politics, it's a matter of faith.
All right, no, it's not a matter of faith. It was a matter of a court judgment, only a question of law. Mr. Kumar, you are currently in the center of an agitation which is saying, irrespective of what has happened, we will not allow the Supreme Court judgment to be fulfilled. You have said that the left government is intent on destroying Sabrimala. Is the Supreme Court a part of that conspiracy to destroy Sabrimala?
No, I don't think so. Actually, before I tell you about this, I would like to remind you one thing. The system of practice in Kerala temples is totally different from the system of practice elsewhere outside India. That is the most important thing. Probably most of them, I think all the judges were from northern part of India, where the systems are totally different.
Sir, judges are not selected according to which region they come from and their religion.
Maybe, I'm telling you, just
The judges are arbiter of justice. To give a communal
Yeah.
and regional color to the Supreme Court would be the most dangerous thing
No, no, no.
for our constitution.
No,
and
it's a
democracy.
fact. I'm telling you because, see, the system is different. Why? Because, see, in Kerala, it is all tantric. The way the deity is installed, from the time deity is installed, what pujas you should do there, what the customs, systems, practices, rituals are all decided at that time actually. You are not supposed to change that. So in Sabrimala, there are two rules apart from the rituals, practices. One of the rules is actually when you climb the 18 steps, you are supposed to have the irumudi katta, which is on the head. That is the first rule. The second rule is actually women, young women. This age is what's actually brought in subsequently.
But these are arguments you put before the court. The court did not think that they held water. Simple. As of today, the law says that women of all ages can enter. Isn't it your responsibility as a law-abiding citizen to follow the rule of law?
No, see,
it's
when-
that simple.
Yeah, but actually you should understand the fact that the court itself, when the review petition was considered, when the subsequent petition was considered, they understood something went wrong. Because in the history of Supreme Court, this is the first time that review petition is being heard in the open court. Why so? That means they have faulted it. So it is for the people. Actually, the believers are lakhs and crores. See, the court has not considered. Actually, they only saw the right of few non-devotees,
So if
maybe
you're-
5.
if you're
no, 1 minute.
certain-
Just a minute. They have just considered the right of only a handful of non-devotees who went with the petition. But they
And
never thought about
interestingly,
the
they
right.
call it right to pray. Interestingly, they call it right to pray
Yeah.
of non-devotees.
But
then
they
there
have
are
not
lakhs-
considered. They have not considered the right of crores and crores of people who are the devotees who are on the opposite side. They never heard them. Now, why did the court did not hear them? My question is that. If the court was really non-partisan, actually they should have
So
considered.
you're now
the-
saying that the court is partisan also.
No, partisan in the sense, I am not saying the judgment. I am talking not about the court, the judgment.
The
Because
judgment was partisan
Yeah, see,
and judicial overreach.
one thing,
Interesting.
see, if if the judgment is accepted by everyone, then what's the use of having appeal?
No, but there
That
are
means-
several.
see,
There are
we
several
cannot-
women who also want to enter,
No, there are
including a 51-year-old lady from Andhra Pradesh who went there with her daughter, and just because your men thought that she was within the non-prescribed age, they didn't let her enter. So this kind of
Don't attribute-
opposition and this kind of overreach has also happened
No,
on your
don't
part.
attribute everything that is happening to Sabarimala to our committee.
Okay.
Because we are only part of it. Actually, crores and crores of devotees are there who doesn't belong to our committee or anything like that.
Okay.
We represent part of the community of devotees. So devotees doesn't accept the judgment. That is why there are 49 review petitions which has gone to the
So
court.
when you know that these clutch of petitions has already gone, Deepa Ishwar, let me ask you why this extra constitutional effort? In January, your petitions are going to be taken up. 49 petitions have gone. Mr. Kumar here says even the court realizes its error. Then why this effort to browbeat and actually bully people like Rehana and others?
No, let's keep Rahana's matter separate.
Yeah, let's keep it separate.
I think
Others.
it's completely unconnected to Sabrimala at all. I'll come to that separately. I'll tell you why I feel that way. But then what I'd like to say is that, this is like telling me that, okay, Deepa, if you don't want to enter, don't enter. But if Rehana wants to enter, let her enter.
Yeah.
But my belief is not that I shouldn't enter. My belief is that no woman should enter. My belief is that the glory of the temple lies in the basic foundation, which is our faith, our belief that young women should not enter. I'm not saying women
But
should not
Deepa,
enter.
the country
So how
doesn't
can I
run
allow
according
another
to
young
your
woman to
beliefs.
enter and still stick on to my belief?
Deepa, the country doesn't run according to your beliefs. The
Of course,
country
the
runs
country-
according to the law.
No, that's what I said
There
initially.
is a
You
large
cannot
section
pick
of
up.
people who may believe
So
that
are you
women
saying-
like you and I shouldn't be
But
talking
Majaji,
at all.
okay, let me just ask you one simple
Should
question.
we sit
so
at
are
home
you
then?
telling me that let us have no religious beliefs and it should just be law and no religion? Are you picking law over religion?
Yes, I am putting law over religion.
No, I disagree
That is
to
what
that.
happens
I
in a
disagree to
secular
that.
democracy.
I disagree to that.
Law
in
is
a
above
country like
everything
India.
else. Law is above everything else in a secular
So
democracy.
what will happen tomorrow in a Shiva temple? You know how Shiva temple you take
So
that
let me-
rotation
let-
around the shrine.
and it doesn't
You can
matter.
only take half rotations.
Okay.
Tomorrow if someone says that's against my right to travel, so I should be allowed to take full rotation, you take that off
I am
also.
quite certain the law is very sensible in our country and they will not interfere in matters like that. But if the law eventually does come to that conclusion, we will have to abide by
Yeah,
that
but then
law.
I
But it doesn't matter what I think. Malvika Avinash, as a member of a party which is in government at the center, would you say law is above religion or religion is above law? Let's just make this clear once
So
and for
you
all.
spoke of secularism. Isn't secularism all about staying equidistant from all religions?
Are you
where is the
equidistant?
question?
Are you equidistant from all religions?
What are you trying to suggest? I am speaking
I'm
of the
asking you a
government
straight
being
question. The
equidistant
government,
from
yes.
all religions, and it is it not?
So law, the supremacy of law is above everything for you, right? Even
No,
above
the
religion.
law is also framed by the people of this country, right? Is it framed by someone else?
No, the law
Yes,
is not
it shall
decided by the
consider the
people or the
faiths.
majority. No, it is not.
Yes.
The law is already framed. The
Really?
Indian Penal
This
Code
judgment just
already
came 2
exists.
months ago. What law was framed about Shabarimala before that? This judgment came 2 months ago.
So what are you trying to tell me? That the
This
majority
judgment can be reviewed.
the majority will decide what's right? Is that what you're saying?
No, it's actually the other way around. There is a minority community in Sabarimala which has a faith. It is the majority which is trying to throttle the rights of that minority community which believes that it has a right to run the temple the way it does.
Which is strange. because
Is
you
it the
told
only
me-
temple in
No.
India? Tell me please.
No,
Is it the only temple in India? Is it some kind of a necessity that you have to go to that temple? Is it your Article 21 that is being disturbed
Maybe
there?
it is a necessity for
For
some
whom?
to
For the
feel equal.
non-believers? I am sorry. If you are a liberal, then by definition you don't need to go to any temple, right?
I don't think being a liberal is a bad word. To say
I'm
that
not saying
you
it's a
all are
bad word.
liberals.
I am saying you don't belong anywhere,
There
right?
are people who are liberals. No,
Yeah,
but Majaji,
nothing
I
wrong
think
with
you
you don't
being
belong
liberal.
to any
No,
faith.
but anyway,
let's just put it very simply in just one sentence. I think if there is a religious practice that is in any way socially or physically adversely impacting someone because of that belief, law can intervene. But because a young woman between the age group of 10 and 50 cannot enter Shabarimala, she doesn't stand to lose anything.
She does actually.
What?
And the judgment
What
says
does
it
she
in
stand
so
to
many
lose?
words.
I mean,
that
I
this
heard a lot of
is
them,
an
including
affront.
you, comparing this with Sati. But
Ma'am-
how can you even compare those?
Ma'am, you just asked me a question. I am just quoting to you what the judgment says. And you have the judgment which was given by Justice Deepak Mishra, a bench headed by them, which said very categorically that to deny entry to women is an affront to their dignity. So yes, a woman stands to lose her dignity if she is discriminated against. The word of discrimination, not mine, the judges. But let me bring in Rehana now. Rehana, you heard the entire argument over here और सब लोगों का ये कहना है कि आप कुछ minority हैं, आप जैसे लोग, आप जैसे
I
activists.
said we are the minority. The believers of the temple are the minority.
Nahin,
It is the majority which is trying to prevail.
No, earlier you had said there are a handful of people, so suddenly they've become a majority even though they're just a
No,
handful.
no. Sorry. I said a handful of non-believers petitioned to the court. I didn't call them minority.
Okay.
I said in this case the reverse is true.
Okay.
Because it is a handful of people who have a certain belief. When I say handful, I mean the people of Kerala, the devotees, they have a certain belief
Okay.
which is being trampled upon
Okay.
in the name of equality.
Okay, so and also I would like to tell you that on this panel itself, there are 3 people who are for one school of thoughts,
That's-
and there is Rehana
that's
on her
no
own.
one's fault,
I
really.
don't
That's your
think-
choice.
I don't really think you're a minority in any way. You're very vocal and you're a very strong majority. But anyway, Rehana, ये कहा जा रहा है कि आप एक मेजॉरिटी हो गए हैं अब, जो सिर्फ किसी के बिलीफ को, किसी के फेथ को इंसल्ट करना चाहते हैं, उसकी कोशिश कर रहे हैं। क्या जरूरत थी कि आप शबरीमला जाती?
इस बारे में जानकारी देने के लिए थोड़े 1-2 मिनट में आप लोगों के लूँगी, क्योंकि कुछ फ्यू वर्ड्स आपके सामने बताने हैं। उसके बाद इस आंसर दूंगी तो आप लोगों को कुछ ज़्यादा वो पहचान में आएगा, ऐसी सोच रही मैं। सॉरी, मुझे इंग्लिश नॉट वेल इंग्लिश, सो हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ। वैसे पैदा होना हमारे राइट टू चूज़ में नहीं है, इसलिए मैं एक मुस्लिम फैमिली में पैदा हुई हूँ और मेरे जीवन साथी एक हिंदू फैमिली में। अब तो साम्राज्य बदल गए हैं और जनतंत्र चलने वाले इस टाइम पे राज्य से, लोगों से, संविधान से उत्तरवादित और सही का पहचान करते हुए एक भारतीय नागरिक बनकर बड़ी हुई हूँ मैं। तो प्रतिनिधि को चुनने का सभी अधिकार मुझे है, ये सोचने वाली हूँ मैं। उसी अधिकार से मेरे जीवन और जीवन साथी और मेरे विश्वास को, मेरे धर्म को मैंने चुना है। इसी विश्वास, इसी राइट मैंने अपने बच्चों को भी सिखाया है कि तुम्हारे राइट्स में खड़े होकर जाति या धर्म और एनी पार्टी पॉलिटिक्स के बंधन में मैं उनको नहीं बांधी हूँ। इस वर्ड्स में इसलिए कह रही हूँ कि हमें चुनने का अधिकार है, तो उसी वजह से मैं अधिकार चुनी हूँ। और जब तक शबरीमला के बारे में है, गॉड अयप्पा का बारे में है, मेरे बचपन से ही मैंने एक सेक्युलर गॉड के बारे में सुना, वो गॉड अयप्पा है। जब तक मैं जानती हूँ सभी धर्म के लोग एक साथ वहाँ जा सकते हैं, उनके सामने जा सकते हैं। वहाँ जाने से तत्वमसी मंत्र प्राप्त होगा। तत्वमसी का अर्थ क्या है? जिसे तुम ढूंढ रहे हो वो तुम ही हो।
तो फिर जाने की जरूरत क्या है रेहाना?
जाने की जरूरत ये है कि मैं एक सत्य अन्वेषी जैसी उसे
आपके फेसबुक पोस्ट से हमें ऐसा नहीं लगा कि आप एक सत्य अन्वेषण वाली कोई है।
लेट मी कंप्लीट प्लीज, लेट मी कंप्लीट। आई हैव स्मॉल लैंग्वेज प्रॉब्लम, इसलिए कंप्लीट करने दो प्लीज। आपके भी क्वेश्चन का मैं आंसर करूंगी। ऐसे आगे बढ़ी हूँ तो मैं जो अयप्पा को जानती हूँ वो तो सबको मानने वाले हैं, लेकिन आप जो कह रहे हैं कि वहाँ पे महिलाएं नहीं जा सकते, इस आधुनिक युग में भी, इस समय में भी महिलाओं को दूर करके रखे हुए हैं, उन्हें दबा कर रखे हुए हैं, उन्हें हमला करते हुए, उन्हें गालियां देते हुए, उनके घर को तोड़फोड़ करते हुए, उनके बीच में इतने दबाव डाल रहे हैं, उनके मन में इतने डर फैला रहे हैं कि वो आगे ना आए। तो हमारे सोसाइटी में जितने
आप अपने घर के ऊपर जो हमला हुआ है उसकी बात कर रही हैं, क्योंकि आप शबरीमला
खाली तो मेरे नहीं है, वहाँ जो भी जाने चाहिए थी वो लोगों का भी घर का यही हाल हुआ है।
कौन कर रहा है?
No. It's the right information. क्योंकि
आप don't misrepresent facts, please.
But आपके घर के ऊपर हमला हुआ है, and that is a fact, Mr. Kumar.
Yes.
Just the fact that रेहाना शबरीमला जाना चाहती थी, there may be differences about why she went. पर क्या सिर्फ for an act of going to शबरीमला should her house have been attacked? क्यों उनके घर में तोड़फोड़ की गई सिर्फ क्योंकि वो शबरीमला गई?
That should be asked to those who have attacked the house, not to me or to my association. See, there are a lot of crimes happening, not only in Kerala, everywhere in the Bharat.
You are saying कि इसका शबरीमला से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है? इनके घर पे जो हमला हुआ उसका शबरीमला से कुछ नहीं है?
Absolutely not.
आपको लगता है ये रेहाना कि इससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है आपके शबरीमला जाने
में? How can she?
ऐसे कुछ लोग हैं वो अभी शबरीमला के धर्म संस्थापक और शबरीमला को जो हमने वो शबरीमला और अयप्पा को प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए, ऐसे सोचने वाले कुछ लोग हैं, वो लोग गॉड अयप्पा को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए निकल गए हैं। ऐसे ये लोग बता रहे हैं कि इनकी मैं जो गॉड को मानती हूँ उनका तो सबसे ज्यादा अधिकार है, उनको बचाने के लिए कोई लोगों की जरूरत नहीं, लेकिन ये लोग सोच रहे हैं कि इनके भगवान को बचाने के लिए कुछ लोग चाहिए।
See, we cannot destroy our rituals, practices, temple customs and Sanatana Dharma for the sake of few activists. We are very clear about that.
Is she a believer or
Absolutely,
a non-believer?
we are very
First
clear about
question.
that.
Yes. 2. If she is a non-believer, what was she attempting to do? Was she attempting to prove something? 3. Her Facebook post certainly does not suggest that she is a believer.
रेहाना,
मैं एक बिलीवर हूँ क्योंकि मैं बचपन से ही एक दूसरे गॉड के बारे में सुना, वो अयप्पा है, मैं ऑलरेडी कह चुकी हूँ। पिछले 20 साल से मैं शबरीमला जाने की ख्वाहिश मेरे अंदर रखी हुई हूँ, अपने अंदर दबाकर रखी। और अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट का निर्णायक सपोर्टिंग निर्णायक विधि हुआ, तब मैं सोचा कि मैं वहां जा सकती हूँ। ऐसे ही मैं वहां पे जो भी अनुष्ठान वहां पे करना चाहिए वही करके मैं आगे गई हूँ।
तो फिर आप अंदर क्यों नहीं जा पाई?
अंदर क्यों नहीं जा पाए? इसलिए क्योंकि वहां कुछ लोगों ने बच्चों के साथ बैठकर,
उसके वजह से नहीं है। आप अंदर इसलिए नहीं जा पाए क्योंकि मिनिस्टर खुद फोन करके बता दिया कि एक्टिविज्म शो करने का जगह नहीं है शबरीमला।
वो भी एक बात है, लेकिन एक्चुअल वहाँ पे पहले मुझे वहाँ रोका गया क्योंकि बहुत से लोग छोटे-छोटे बच्चों को
What was the Facebook post?
Just a minute.
What were you trying to prove in the
make the whole
Facebook
thing
post?
clear.
Can we please not turn this into a shouting match at Rehana?
Yeah.
We've asked her a question. The question is, रेहाना, क्या आप सच में बिलीवर हैं या आप सिर्फ इसको एक एक्टिविज्म की तरह इस्तेमाल करना चाहती थी? क्योंकि जो केरला के मिनिस्टर हैं, जो देवस्वाम मिनिस्टर हैं, उन्होंने भी बोला कि आप और आपके साथ जो जर्नलिस्ट गई थी उनको वापस कीजिए, एक्टिविज्म मत कीजिए, माहौल खराब मत कीजिए। Did you what you did, क्या वो काउंटर प्रोडक्टिव तो नहीं हो गया इस राइट टू प्रे के लिए?
नहीं, मैं एक बिलीवर ही हूँ और मैंने वहां पे एक्टिविज्म करने की कोशिश भी बिल्कुल नहीं की। और अभी वो वहां पे कहा गया है कि एक एक्टिविस्ट वहां पे नहीं जा सकते। एक्टिविस्ट ऐसे यूज कर रहे हैं कि एक बुरी बात है। एक्टिविस्ट यानी जो भी सोसाइटी में कुछ प्रॉब्लम से इन्वॉल्व होने वाले सबको एक्टिविस्ट कहला जाते हैं ना। तो एक्टिविस्ट इज नॉट ए बैड वर्ड।
No, just a minute. Just ask her.
No, she's saying she's a believer. She's answering.
No.
We just have one question, Padmaja ji. Very simple question. What was she trying to prove through her Facebook post? She is very cleverly evading the question, and you are supporting her. You should ask her a very clear question.
तो ऐसे करें, एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे तो
ठीक है। एक आपसे सवाल पूछा गया है।
No, 1 minute. I want to ask her a question. Why she was arrested? Just ask her.
फेसबुक, आपके फेसबुक पोस्ट के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं बिकॉज़ शी वाज अरेस्टेड फॉर इट। रेहाना, अगेन सवाल वही है।
She has humiliated Sabrimala. She has humiliated Ayyappa and she was arrested and she is saying she is a believer, she is a devotee.
रेहाना, अगेन सवाल आपके फेसबुक पोस्ट के बारे में ही पूछा जा रहा है कि आपका एक्टिविज्म है, ठीक है, आप एक पॉइंट प्रूव करना चाहती थी, पर क्या आपने फीलिंग्स को, रिलीजियस फीलिंग्स को हर्ट किया है? एंड अगर नहीं किया है तो वर यू लेट डाउन बाय द केरला गवर्नमेंट because they decided to side with those who wanted you arrested? आपको अरेस्ट तो केरला गवर्नमेंट ने किया है।
Just ask her why she
जो
was
भगवान
arrested.
को मैं मानती हूँ वो तो मुझे वहां जाने के लिए कोई रुकावट नहीं रह रहे, लेकिन इन लोग जो लोग ये लोग मानते हैं ना, उनके भगवान को प्रोटेक्ट करना इनके साइड का वर्क है, इसलिए ये लोग ऐसे कर रहे हैं। और मुझे वहां जाने से रोका गया क्या बता के? ऐसे बता रहे कि दूसरों के प्रति नहीं तो उनका धर्म का सॉरी।
Would you take the platform? Let's change this. आपको लगता है कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म से आपका जाना टू मेक शबरीमला एक्सेसिबल फॉर एवरीवन एंड से कि महिलाओं को शबरीमला में जाना चाहिए, दैट इज फेयर? आप चाहती हैं कि महिलाएं जाएं, पर आपने जो फेसबुक पर लिखा, क्या आपको लगता है कि मे बी इट वॉज रॉन्ग? आप उसके लिए अपोलोजाइज करना चाहेंगी कि दैट वॉज डेट्रीमेंटल टू दिस एंटायर मूवमेंट?
नहीं, मैंने जो फेसबुक में लिखा वो बुद्धायनम में लिखा है, वही हिस्ट्री मैंने लिखा। वो जो मैंने जाना कुछ किताबों से पढ़ा वही लिखा है। अलावा मेरे वो मेरे क्रिएटिविटी प्रोडक्ट नहीं है वो, मैंने जो कुछ रीड करके पहचाना वही लिखा है.
Mind just
वो
producing the footage of a Facebook post here, please?
We're not, it's not going to be an inquisition
No,
against
I know
one
you will
person.
not, I know,
It's fair
but
enough.
then
So the fact
what
is,
about the outfit? What about the way she had put up her picture? What about the way she had represented Lord Ayyappa as Ayyappa bro?
Okay.
I mean, how could she have done all this and still claim that she is a devotee?
so Deepa, the fact remains that what she did, you found objectionable. She went to jail for it. There are many people
still not
who
apologizing for it.
browbeat and harangued women like Rihanna and
That's
others.
wrong too. That's
And
wong.
That's
That's
wrong.
wrong. And
But
I
when
seriously
they were
feel bad that
arrested,
she was
when
attacked
they
that
were
way.
arrested,
मुझे
it was
करने
called a
के
witch
लिए
hunt.
अनुवाद देते हैं,
इन्होंने
लेकिन
जो-
आपका नहीं है, वो मेरा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
मैंने सुना नहीं.
जब तक मेरे भगवान है, मुझे ये सब करने के लिए अलाउ करते हैं. आपका नहीं है, वो
किसने
आपका
कहा?
प्रॉब्लम है.
किसने
तो
कहा?
आप माने,
see,
आप जो
okay,
भगवान को
fine.
मानते हैं, नहीं तो
Okay, fine,
अय्यप्पा को
Rihanna.
मानते हैं, वो आपका
Okay, okay, fine, Rahana, just one thing. So you believe in the Constitution, you believe in the Supreme Court's verdict, and hence you went there, right? And you believe in Lord
Supreme
Ayyappa.
Court-
Okay, consider you believe in Lord Ayyappa, okay? Which Supreme Court verdict has given you the right to hurt someone's religious sentiments? So how can you put up a
मैंने
post like
किसी
that
का
and claim
religious
that you are a
sentiments
believer?
नहीं,
Okay,
नहीं,
I'm going to end this topic here for the simple reason, like I said, yes, if that Facebook post was problematic, then she had suffered the consequences for it. But
case is still
there are
going on.
still
It's not
people
over.
who refuse to let the Supreme Court's verdict be implemented in letter and spirit.
That's because of people
what
like
about
her.
the consequences?
That is because of people like her. Because you're opening the door.
And
You're
there are
opening
still
doors
आप
for a set of
सुप्रीम कोर्ट
non-devotees
जज को
to show
नहीं मानते हैं,
activism.
आपका विश्वास को मानते हैं.
नहीं, first-
लेकिन मैं वो भी मानती हूँ, मेरे विश्वास को भी मानती हूँ.
Okay, I think we are going to close the
no
topic over
genuine
here.
believer is actually attempting to
और
come to
आप
Sabarimala.
जो आज
Not
जो
a
कह
single
रहे हैं
one.
कि मेरे
People
Facebook
like
फोटो का,
activists like her
उसके
is
बारे
trying
में
to
मुझे
go there.
बताना
That
है.
is why
थोड़ी
people are
time
stopping
दीजिए,
them.
मैं बताऊंगी.
No devotee will allow people like her to come to Sabarimala.
Okay, if you
I'm
do
telling
not-
you.
okay,
But
sir-
devotees, actually not even a single devotee of belonging to that age group tried to come to Sabarimala.
Okay, Mr. Kumar, I
all
do
of
not
them are
think-
saying in a loud voice that we don't want to go to Sabarimala till we attain the age of 50.
No, and I do
Only
not think,
such
Mr.
activists
Kumar,
are trying
any
to
of
come.
us
You
have
should
the right
understand
to
that.
decide
Just
कौन सच्चा
because of
devotee है,
that,
कौन
the
नहीं
court has
है.
regard-
But we will close the topic
No,
over
but
here.
just
The
one
fact
more
of the
thing,
matter
just one
is,
more thing. Shabrimala or any religious place of worship is not a public place. If church is not a public place, if mosque is not a public space, temples are also not a public place.
Deepa Ishwar, if you have a problem with that, then go to court, and when the verdict on that
See, we have
comes,
gone to the
then
court.
equally that verdict should
So
be
there is a
implemented.
larger controversy.
Doesn't matter.
It is
When the
not
same
just
thing
Sabarimala,
happened with
there is a
Haji
larger
Ali,
controversy
you were there
behind that.
cheering it
Actually,
on.
that is why we
When
are
it
going to
happens
court.
with Shabrimala, you cannot
We
say
cannot
that the faith
de-
of millions
destroy temple
is being
systems.
trampled upon. Anyway, on that note, I really have to close this. But thank you very much, all the ladies and Mr. Kumar, for having joined us. Thank you very much.